this conversation and this thing that you're in is absolutely the important moment. It is the important moment, but you get to decide how you want it to serve you. So, in the face of all of the subtle erasing, the taking people out of stories, the disappearing of subjectivities and experiences and mattering, you're sitting at this intersection of what do I want to do about that? And I wonder if you came to me and said, I'm in so much pain and hurt and sadness over this, and I'm really wanting to understand what concerns or fears or pressures were going on inside of you when you made that request. And I want to share with you some of the fallout of that decision. And in this moment, what would really help is knowing that you care about it. I think what I would be going for in that conversation is that you care about how it impacted me, you care about how it impacted Becky, that you care about and are aware of the statement that that made to the family, to the community, and what that means for me as a human being and how that directly impacts me and people who are marginalized. And what I'm really wanting from my niece in that moment is I'm not trying to berate you or judge you. I'm really wanting to understand and have you tell me about the pressures you are under too. And I want to care for those with you. And I want to know that you care and are aware of the ripple effect of that decision. I don't want it glossed over, and I don't want it minimized, and I don't want to just move on as if things are fine when they actually create this much pain for humans. I want that pain to be seen and known, and I want empathy for it. I don't need you to go back and rewrite history or change the past or whatever you did, you did. But in making that decision, I want you to know the full impact. And I think your having that conversation is exactly the conversations that are needed over and over in every family with the people who care about us and the people who have love in our hearts for the individuals. These are the places where transformative change can still happen. And it really is the reestablishing of everyone mattering, of everybody being cared about. It's not coming in with shame and blame. We want to inspire more care. People will be courageous for things that they care about. We don't want to keep entrenching people in fear